4.96 before I started raising up this damn acceptance rate. My acceptance rate was a 13%. My customer rating was 4.96. My completion rate was 99. But trying to raise my AR made everything else go down. Absolutely diabolical work. Let me see these long messages I just missed. Thunder coming through with the boom, like for real. Hold up. Shine Hampton coming through. He say $2 for the greatest DoorDash entertainer. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. He say send me $10. Hold on now. If anybody getting sent something, it's gonna be me. Hold on, let's get you together. You get a timeout. You're not allowed to ask for money in my chat. You go to your chat and ask for money. I'm the only one to get to ask for money over here. What's wrong with you? Now you're not banned, you just timed out. Go sit in the corner, think about what you did, and then you come on back and join the festivities once you had a couple minutes to think about your decisions. Thunder coming through for real. I'm qualified for it, but I'm not looking forward to them. Daps FDA, that was Famo. What you talking about? I won't do alcohol no more. Oh, I'm over it. Last clown ordered in his wife's name, tried to give me his ID when I told him to simply go get her, and I would scan the ID. He tried to tell me they separated. Bruh! I would have said, man, you a clown, and I'd have left. I wouldn't have told him that. I would have said he a clown, but I wouldn't have said it to his face. But I would have said it in my head. I have a customer that orders barbecue every Tuesday and tips the driver $15 in singles every single time. I get her every week. She's a stripper. You might want to wash your hands when you get those $15. If it's $15 in single bills every week, like clockwork, you telling me, bitch, you never have a 10 or a 5? You are a stripper. You better wash your hands. I promise you that. Let's see. I had that on medication. One time they refused to give me ID for medication, and it was a shot. I had to take it back to Walmart. Then they had the nerve to call me when I got there. Yeah. Like, bruh, you got the nerve to call Walmart because I returned your shit because you an idiot? Bruh, these customers are so damn stupid sometimes. Every person I deliver alcohol to seem a little bit off. Yes, anybody that orders alcohol and don't go get it themselves, it's already something wrong with them. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, because anybody who has plans of drinking, either it's gonna be liquor where you at, or you already done bought it. But anybody that spurred a moment bought some damn liquor, they don't even know where they ID at. They not gonna be ready, and they ain't finna tip good. I'm gonna keep it 100. Only people that tip good on alcohol deliveries is the people who buying 30 packs of beer and they knew they needed it before that they got there. That's the only people that tip good. All other alcohol people tip your ass $2 because they stupid as fuck. Like, you didn't want to get your ass up and go get this alcohol, but you also didn't think that I got to scan your fucking ID when I get here. So you know what? Your $2 is trash. For real. Only people who buy 30 packs of beer tip good on them alcohol orders, and I'm standing on that. I did enough for them to know. If you ordered one bottle, you are a clown. Straight up. Because you didn't think it through. You just placed that order, and you didn't think about shit else. I promise you that. Who is this? Mateen? I can't pronounce it. I'm just going to ban you. I ain't got time. See, I'm not like these other people, bro. You coming here with that funny stuff, you out of here. I forgot your name already. That's how quick I work. Like, I don't play. What is this? They got some new shit? Y'all ever seen that? I ain't never seen this. Y'all ever seen this? I'm used to it saying this right here. Hotspot will refresh in 2 minutes. But what's this? Estimated time 2 to 8 minutes. Y'all ever seen this? This is new right here. So we got a new update on Doordash. This will be its own separate video. So I'm in my dash. I'm waiting on the order. And I see this little screen right here. It says EST, which means estimated time, 2 to 8 minutes. Now, we very familiar with seeing this right here. But this is my first time seeing this in my market. And let's break it down. Estimated 2 to 8 minute wait time to get an offer. Okay, well, the time is 7:23. So by 7:30, I should have an offer. Don't mean it's going to be good. Dashers in your area wait 2 to 8 minutes for an offer on average. Based on recent Dasher activities, these estimates are updated every 10 minutes. Now, this is just something that DoorDash is putting in there to kind of get you to understand that, you might have to wait from 5 to 10 minutes sometimes. I don't think this really makes a big difference. If the orders are out there, they will send them to you. But this is just something they can use to manipulate new drivers. Don't let your nipples be laded by DoorDash. Do not let them manipulate you, okay? I've been waiting 8 minutes right here.